Okay, YouTube pyrotechnicians. Here's something I've talked about before in my videos. I like to make extension wires rather than scabbing wire if I need to get my product out a long distance from the module. So this wire here, I think might be doorbell wire. I don't remember. And I went ahead and put a quick plug on it. And this wire is about 15 feet long. And at the other, sorry, I was swatting away a mosquito. At the other end of the wire, I put the alligator clips. Sorry, these mosquitoes are killing me. And then I alligator clip, to the E-match or the Talon. So we'll stretch this thing out to its full length. So imagine I've got that connected to a product. And that's how far I am from the module. I usually cut these wires about 15 feet long if I remember right. And so that's reusable. When I'm done, at the end of the shoot, I just unclip from the igniter. And I'll go over here and unplug from the module. And if you're using quick plugs, you can put the quick plug connector on here. Or if you're just using regular spring clip speaker terminals on your modules, you just strip this wire bare and tin the end of it and just plug it in. But the concept is, actually two concepts here, how to make an extension wire with a quick plug. And I've got a ton of these extension wires, and all of them previously just had a bare end to go in the regular spring terminal. But now that I've got modules with quick plugs, I'll be adding quick plug connectors to a bunch of these extension wires. And this way I can get my product way out away from the module if I need to or want to for some reason. Okay, if you're going to make up these extension wires with quick plugs, this is the wire I used. I either got it from Amazon, Parts Express, or Deep Surplus. I don't remember which. But the good thing about this particular wire is that the insulation is just the right thickness to slip into those openings for the quick plugs. I'm trying to do this one-handed since I'm not using a tripod. But anyway, that little gap in there where these go, this insulation works well. For these extension wires in the past, I've used 22 gauge speaker wire, and the insulation on the speaker wire is a little thicker than this. And I don't think it would fit very good in these quick plug slots. But this insulation is a little thinner and it fits right in there. So if you want to make extension wires with quick plugs, you can get this kind of product, which I think is doorbell wire or something.